It's Pool Candy's SplashRunner Pro Motorized Deluxe Pool Lounger. The company sent this to us for Sue's reviews, and before I get in and take its maiden voyage around the pool, it took me a lot to get it to this point. It even does spins. The box promises an easy and quick assembly, but that wasn't the experience I had. After unwrapping each part and reading the instructions, I found they aren't very thorough when it comes to putting together each propeller and joystick.
Brought in the big gun.
I even had to bring in my daughter and her friend to lend a hand. And finally, my photojournalist, James Apolitegui, was able to figure it out.
Maybe I'm a little too heavy for this.
The raft has plenty of room, and the company says it can hold up to 250 pounds. And what I really liked was each propeller is behind a safety grill, reducing the risk for anyone who swims around or under the raft. And here's another thing you need to keep in mind before you hit the water. Each control takes 8 D-size cell batteries, which cost me about 40 bucks. However, Pool Candy says you can use rechargeable ones. Once you hit the open water, or in my case, my pool, the raft can reach up to speeds of 3 miles an hour. And if you're thinking about using the device in a lake, not the ocean, I found you better take a crash course. Maneuvering the 360 joysticks takes a little practice, and I would hate for first responders to have to come rescue you. All right, so now I have it forward. All in all, the raft is fun and functional. Practical if you wanted to float away on calm lake waters or spend the day lounging while grabbing your drink.
Yeah, kind of getting the hang of it.
Either way, Pool Candy's SplashRunner Motorized Pool Lounger is gonna run you $249, but I found this same model on Amazon on sale for $168.
For Sue's reviews, now that you're in it and in your pool, was it worth spending all the time setting it up?
I think it was. I think this would be great in a bigger pool. I think kids would have a lot of fun. All in all, I give this a thumbs up for Sue's reviews.